things which I got it from HSR shopping vlog. Hey guys, this is Shwati here. So this is my first video which I'm doing the live voiceover, whatever it is. So this is the first time sitting and recording my long video which I'm going to post on YouTube. And thank you so much for all of you who are supporting me and sharing my reels and giving a best compliments and comments to me. Thank you so much for all of your virtual hugs. Yeah. So in this video, we'll be watching the things which I posted recently. So it is my HSR shopping video. So there are so many things which I got from HSR. So we'll be watching one by one with the price tags. Here we go. So got us two skirts actually. Each skirt I paid 250 or something for that. So it is kind of green, but it is a little dark green color. So this I got it for 250. And then the one more thing which I got it, so it is like a multicolor. So there is a pink, white, and then black color. So it's a flat skirt. You can actually see that it is like full length skirt. So this also I got it for around 250. So then you all know that I'm a earring lover. So I purchased few earrings from this place. So the one which I'm wearing is actually the white color stone with the silver state. So which costed me around 110 or something. So but it's good, like I'm using, it's used for so many times, but it's long lasting. The colors and all didn't change so far, and the stone also, it is good with the grip. So this one is the one which I purchased there. Then the two more earrings. So two more earrings, which is basically a golden shade. So it is not anti-tarnish, but it's kind of anti-tarnish only. So this both the stats, it costed me around 50 to 60 rupees or something like that only. It's not that expensive. So you can just see that. So it is just a golden color. Oops. So this two earrings which I got it, I hope you can see this. So this is just a golden shade. So this is one earring, and I got one more also. So the one more is also, it's kind of heart shape. So it is also coming with the same golden color heart earring. So this is also almost, I paid around 60 to 80 rupees or something like that. Okay. So earrings is only so much. The next which I got a chain with the pendant. So this is a chain actually. This is a chain, and this is the pendant. You can actually see that. So the pendant and the chain together, all of I paid almost 180 to 190. But I feel they said it's anti-tarnish, but the chain is completely changed into black. I wore it almost twice or thrice, but still the color is changing. So I don't prefer you. So next time when you buy, please check it out and buy. So this you will get it in HSR. Uh, there is a shop called Kushal. So next to that shop only, there is one new shop which they opened. It is Korean style shop. So they have so many this upcoming collections in that particular shop. Yeah. So the next one which we are going to watch, the most favorite, the color combination, the set of earrings, and then the neck piece with pendant, which I got it. So I've seen me that I'm wearing in my Vietnam solo trip also. So this is the earrings, so which has black color and then the golden color border in that. It looks so good and so pretty to just enhance your color code. And this earring is actually coming with the pendant, so pendant and chain. So this together I got it for around 250 or something. I liked it, so that's okay. Then we got some bangles, kada, bracelet, whatever you say. So we have three actually. So this is the first one. So which I got it for almost 150, but I bargained with him. So he gave it me for 120 or 110 or something. I don't remember. So this one more is like famous now, the trending bangle, which you can actually see that in many places. So this is kind of black, white, and also the golden color shade, which I got it for around 190 or, but I use so many times I actually liked it. And the next last one is this, which has golden silver color in this. This is also kind of the kada bangle type, which you can pair up with normal wear and western wear. So this is also around, I paid 110 or Then we bought a few hair accessories. So first one is this two cute clips, so which comes with yellow color and one more is in pink color. So which I got it for around 20 each. So I use this also. This is nice. And this is actually one more which I got it for almost 190 to 150 something. It comes with three different things. So one is small and then can you see this short one? So this has three clips basically. So which I got it for around 150. But this is one of my favorite. It looks so good when you style it actually. So no, because so this is the one more thing which I purchased in HSR. I liked it. And one more a big catch clip. So this is a pretty big size actually. So this I paid it for around 80 or something. And the last one which we got is this hairband. So you can use this hairband before you go to the makeup or whatever it is. So this one I thought maybe I will use it in the future videos or something. So this also I got it for around 60 rupees to 80 rupees or something. But it's good, pretty good. So here is the thing. So these are the things which I purchased from HSR. Hope you like this video and it will be very helpful. So next time I'll try to add the shop details also so that you can visit whenever you can purchase it also. Thank you so much. Please like, share, subscribe my videos and follow me on Instagram, the same page. Thank you. See you. Bye bye. Stay tuned.